Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we dive into the fascinating world of kinetic sculptures, taking inspiration from World Skies, an innovative and interactive kinetic artwork by Breakfast. World Skies is a remarkable installation that allows viewers to engage with real-time weather data through the unique flip disk medium. When someone approaches, a depth sensor detects their presence and transforms the weather visualization into a reflection of the viewer, with the contrast changing based on the current cloud cover. This mimics how sunlight and clouds affect our appearance outdoors, creating a truly interactive and dynamic experience. Special thanks to Andrew Zalti, the founder of Breakfast, for their incredible work on the original sculpture, inspiring us to recreate it in the virtual world. This portion of the video used in this tutorial is taken from Breakfast Studio official website. Let's begin our fourth tutorial of Replicating with Grasshopper series. Unlock the secrets of this iconic sculpture and unleash your creativity with Grasshopper. Subscribe now and let's start sculpting our virtual masterpiece. Use the Firefly plugin to access the webcam connected to your computer. Mesh from image. Saturation and brightness. Number slider. Number slider. Go to Rhino Perspective Viewport to check the output. Adjust the sliders for better brightness. Contrast. Number slider. Adjust the sliders for better brightness. Resize bitmap. Decompose bitmap. Smaller than. Number slider. Panel. Division by 2. Cull pattern. Preview off. Select everything and make group. Series. Number slider. Select component, copy and paste, and reconnect. Construct point. Number slider. Right-click on Z-coordinate of construct point and set it to graph. Polygon. Right-click on the output of construct point and flatten. Number slider. Number slider. Division. Number slider. XC plane. Rotate 3D. Right-click on angle and set it to degrees. Unit X. Cull pattern. Cull pattern. Select and delete the component. Select and delete the component. Dispatch component. Custom preview. Color swatch. Surface component. Mesh breadth component. Offset mesh component from Pufferfish plugin. Right-click on Offset output of Offset mesh component and turn it to flatten. Select and copy the components. Select and delete the component. The script is almost ready now. Let's test the visuals by turning on the webcam. Let's make a few adjustments and set the background and framing for the installation. Bounding rectangle component from Pufferfish plugin. XC component. Offset curve component. Numbers slider. Merge component. Ruled surface component. Bake the output of bounding rectangle. Pause the webcam for some time. In Rhino, offset the curve using offset command. Select the curves and move them in Y direction. Extrude the border curve using Extrude Curve command. Using the Create Shell command in Solid Tools tab, create a frame. Let's turn on the webcam now all the settings are done. Thank you all for staying tuned and following along with this tutorial series. Your support and enthusiasm are truly appreciated. Thank you once again for joining me on this creative journey.